All right, guys, here we go with the Vivi Z8. This is the first ride right out of the box, right out of that overview video. So yeah, here it is. We're gonna go try out some of this pedal assist and try out some of the speed, and we'll do the hill climb real quick. We'll get up on the hill and see how it climbs that hill. So yeah, let's do it. Looks real nice, man, real nice. I'm liking it. All right, and away we go. It's got a nice comfy seat on it. Wow. It's got 3-4 bars there. Let's just get up the hill first, and then we will worry about, I think the seat might be a little low. Let's just get up the hill and then over there by the flat parking lot, and then we'll get these modes worked out. Woo! Ooh, brakes are nice. Okay, so we're just going to take the hill here with the throttle only. Not going to do any pedaling. We're just going to use the throttle. And it's taking it way better than the Engui did. I'll tell you that. The Engui had a hell of a time getting up here. No, this was a piece of cake for this thing. All right. Easy peasy for the Vivi. Oh, I like the brakes on this thing. Wow. Woo! Okay, so when it's in the throttle only mode, it doesn't seem like pedaling does anything. So basically, this is just a sit-down scooter, like I said, with these bikes. So the throttle only mode, when you pedal, it doesn't do anything. There's no pedal assist involved at all in that. So let's try first the mode 1, the low. Now the throttle won't work. You have to pedal. Yeah, so that's not too bad. So if you wanted to just pedal for a while to save some battery, you could just do that, which I'm doing right now. Now this actually feels like it's got some, some tension on it. So there must be some kind of speed control or something on this thing. It just doesn't go real fast and then stop, you start spinning your wheels like all those other 14-inch bikes. Okay, so let's go up here to number 2. Hey, bud. Oh, I went up to 3. Let's go up to 2 here. Okay, well then that starts doing that. So I would just, you start pedaling so fast that your feet are going faster than the bike. So I would just stay in pedal assist 1, to be honest. And then 3, I'm sure, is going to be worse than that. But I like the way the bike rides so far. So let's try 3, pedal assist 3. Yeah, so you're going 100 miles an hour with your legs. So I would just sit it on pedal assist 1. That's the best thing you're gonna get here, as far as getting any kind of tension on deal. And plus you'll get the longest battery life out of that too, so. All right, so let's try out the speed, which is what we like, right? It did feel to me like it was going pretty fast in the front parking lot. So let's go over here and get a run going. But the brakes feel real nice. The ride feels real nice. The seat feels okay. I think the seat on the Ingui might have been a little softer. So we're gonna turn around up here at Popeyes. Give me a wing! And then we'll make our run, our speed run here. All right, here we go. 16. It said it did 20, but I don't see it. But that must have been with that 130-pound guy. Okay, so now I want to try it with with a phone that has data. This phone does not have data, even though I don't think the speedometer doesn't use the data as far as I know. But we're gonna see, right? Nope, that's what I'm getting. Same thing as the other one. So that 20 miles an hour claim is baloney. At least for a 175-pound person. So, but hey, you know, we'll just deal with it. At least I won't get busted by the cops for going over the Class 2 rules, right? So I don't have to worry about that. It does ride nice, though. I will say that. The brakes are really nice. The ride's really nice. It's got some suspension. So, you know, it's just the speed isn't what they're claiming. Woo! All right, so there you go, my first initial ride, and it was, yeah, it was okay. I mean, it's a nice bike, except that, you know, I like the speed, so, you know. If it had been 20, it would have been real nice. This thing would have been an ace if it went 20, but I'll have to live with the 16. So this will be another nice trail bike. That wind is like, wow. It's going nuts. Levi!